In this video, I will show you different ways you can pay with Crypto.com. So first is obviously by using the card. So if you go to card in the bottom right, you will find the Crypto.com card. So this is a virtual card, and what you can do is at the bottom click add to Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, and you can just use it in store, online, wherever you need it, and you can just add funds to it and then pay with it. So that's the first way. You can also order a physical card by going to more and then settings, and then here click request physical card. But another way to pay is click on the three lines in the top left, then scroll down a bit and you will see spend, where you have the card, which we just went over, but you also have pay. So if you go to pay, you can see different stuff you can also buy on Crypto.com. So you have shops with cashback right here. Then under gift cards, you can buy gift cards also with cashback. You have airtime and send, where you can send money to a friend or a contact. So those are different ways that you can use Crypto.com to pay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.